Jai Hind everyone. Myself Rahul Kumar Pandey, Assistant Professor in Ajay Kumar Gar Engineering College in Mathematics Department. Right now, today my topic is covered in Mathematics 1 in Engineering Field BAS 103, which is covered by AKT University Engineering Maths 1, and very interesting topic, inverse of matrix. Inverse of matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. Basically, it is an interesting topic in area of matrix. Matrix, what is matrix? Firstly, we define matrix, a rectangular array with a combination of rows and columns. For solving such type of complex equation is governed by matrix. Okay. Here we discuss about inverse of matrix. In previous classes, in 12th classes, you find out inverse in by adjoint method. Adjoint method, what is adjoint method? Inverse equal to adjoint of A upon mod A. Cofactor find out and find the adjoint of A. That will be help to finding the inverse. And what is the main condition for inverse of matrix? Main condition for inverse of matrix should be non-singular. And what is non-singular? Non-singular means determinant of matrix does not equal to 0. Why? Because in the definition, adjoint of A upon mod A, and mod A, if mod A equal to 0 means singular matrix, then our inverse collapse, and this will be does not exist, means infinite. So matrix should be non-singular for inverse of matrix. It is a very important aspect for inverse of matrix. Okay, matrix should be non-singular, and non-singular matrix का ही इनवर्स निकल सकता है. Content. Before starting Gauss-Jordan method basically covers of elementary transformation. And what is elementary transformation? Before starting the A inverse, we have to understand what is elementary operations. And elementary operations has two types: row transformation or column transformation. So firstly, we introduce elementary row transformation. What is elementary row transformation? Just following transformation on a matrix are called elementary row transformation. This one. There are three tools for row transformation. Number one, interchanging any two rows. Number two, multiplication of a row by a non-zero number. Okay, any non-zero number. And third one, addition of constant multiple of row to another row. डायरेक्ट हम ऐड नहीं कर सकते. विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनी अदर रो वी हैव टू कांस्टेंट ऐड. ओके, नाउ एग्जांपल्स फॉर एलिमेंट्री रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट वन, इंटरचेंजिंग ऑफ एनी टू रोज. हियर a matrix A equal to row 1 0 2 2 minus 3 4 and 0 minus 1 1. Here horizontal covers by R1, R2 and R3. These three rows, horizontal rows and vertical decides columns. So here row R1 is 1 0 2 2 minus 3 4 0 minus 1 1. Okay. First interchange any two rows. If we decide row R1 to interchanges R3, then we just follow this operation. R1 interchange R3 means what is R1? 102. 102 in place of R3, and R3 is 0 minus 1 1 in place of R1, and R2 is static because there is no operations occurs. So first operation interchanging of any two rows just happen this side. Okay. Next, same R3 interchanges R2. Multiplication of a row by a non-zero number, any non-zero number, how it is multiplied by any matrix. Just see, let A equal to 1 0 2, same, 2 minus 3 4 and 0 minus 1 1. If we have to multiply 2, if any row means any R1, so R1 multiplied 2 R1 means we have to just focus in R1, so multiply 2 into R1 means 2 R1, and look at that, 2 0 4, 2 minus 3 4, 0 minus 1 1. R1 interchanges 2 R2, so it is a second operation, multiplication of row by any non-zero number. Okay, सेम नॉन जीरो में पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव तो दोनों हो सकता है, 2R1 ऐसे माइनस 2R3, थर्ड रो में आपने माइनस 2 का मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, वही चीज है. नेक्स्ट, एडिंग कांस्टेंट मल्टीपल ऑफ रो टू अनदर रो. डायरेक्ट कोई कांस्टेंट मल्टीप्लाई नहीं हो सकता मैट्रिक्स में. जैसे इफ वी ऐड +2 R1 में एंड वी ऐड R1 plus 2 R2. Constant always adding with the help of another row. With the help of another row. So this will be wrong operation and this is right operation. Like this. If A equal to 1 1 2 first row, second row -1 0 1 and third row 3 2 -1, and we have to operate it, R2 tends to R2 plus 2 R1, तो R2 में आप 2 R1 2 multiplied by R1 and adding with R2, तो operation will be help 1 2 5. ठीक है, 2 -1 plus 2 plus 1 2 0 plus 2 2 2 2 जा 4 और 4 plus 1 5 1 2 5. It is third operation for elementary row transformation. Just same as elementary column transformation. The transformation discussed so far and in the terms of rows only, or so they were called elementary row transformation. Similar transformation applied in columns are called elementary column transformation. Same, all three properties as same as like row as column. Following transformation on a matrix are called elementary column transformation. Interchanging any two columns, like interchanging any two rows. Multiplication of a column by a non-zero number, same. Multiplication by of a row by a non-zero number. And addition of a constant multiple of a column to another column, just same. Now procedure. By procedure for inverse of matrix by Gauss-Jordan elimination method. What is method? Let A be a square matrix. A matrix B is said to be inverse of A if AB equal to BA equal to I. Okay. What is the right statement? Is a right statement just given below. The elementary row transformation which reduce a square matrix A to the unit matrix when applied to the unit matrix gives the inverse of A. Means A B equal to B A equal to I. Means if A B equal to B A, if this matrix is convert to A equal to IA, if A converted to I, then I converted to A inverse, and we obtain A inverse. The elementary row transformation which reduced to a square matrix A, the elementary row transformation which reduced to a square matrix A to the unit matrix. A converted in unit matrix, then in right hand side I, a unit matrix, converted to A inverse. That's why matrix B is called inverse of matrix A. Okay, working rule कैसे करते हैं? Write A equal to IA. Perform elementary row transformation on A of the left hand side and on I of the right hand side, so that A reduced to I and I of right side is reduced to inverse of A. वही चीज है. फर्स्ट A equal to IA, we have to focus A to make it unit matrix, and जैसे यूनिट मैट्रिक्स होगी तो आपका ये A इनवर्स में चेंज हो जाएगा. ये वर्किंग रूल है आपका. The method is based on the following property of elementary row transformation. ये जितना भी करना आपको रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से ही करना है. Write A equal to IA. Convert A to identity matrix using elementary row transformation. Keep on applying same transformation in I on right hand side. Why? जैसे पुरानी क्लासेस में आप लोग देखते होंगे, if one example I have taken 3, if we have multiplied 2, so 2 in right hand side as well as left hand side. So 2 multiplied means 2x plus y equal to 3 means 4x plus 2y equal to 6. So keep on applying same transformation in I written at RHS. जो आप लेफ्ट साइड में करोगे वही आपको RHS करना पड़ेगा. और ये काम करते करते जैसे हमारा I मिलेगा राइट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, तो आपका ऑटोमेटिक A इनवर्स राइट साइड मिल जाएगा. द मैट्रिक्स ऑब्टेन्ड एंड राइट हैंड साइड इज इनवर्स ऑफ A. Main, how to solve this question? The employing elementary transformation, find the inverse of matrix. Our matrix is 3 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, 0 minus 1 1. Here R1 is, R2 is, and R3 is this one. So what is the procedure? Just write down the solution. A equal to IA. ठीक है, A equal to IA. Matrix A. What is matrix of A? एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज कि मैट्रिक्स हमेशा स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का ही होता है, ध्यान रखना इस चीज को. तो इन जो भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होगी आपकी, उसी के करस्पॉन्डेंस आप यूनिट मैट्रिक्स लोगे. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 3 क्रॉस 3 यूनिट मैट्रिक्स वी हैव टेकन 3 क्रॉस 3. ठीक है. मेन फोकस अवर इज कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो मैट्रिक्स ए इज कन्वर्टेड टू यूनिट मैट्रिक्स बाय एलिमेंट्री रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. एंड लास्टली when we have to final result in unit matrix, so on right hand side we have find A inverse automatically. Just focus. First element always is 1 because our focus is in unit matrix. What is unit matrix? Just see on board. Unit matrix, all diagonal points is 1 1 1 and all non-diagonal elements are 0 0 is called unit matrix. So focus on diagonal elements. So first diagonal in position A11, second A22 and third A33. मेन फोकस हमारा यही है कि A11 में 1 मिले, बाकी जगह सब 0. A22 1 मिले, बाकी सब 0. Rest of all entries are 0, and A33 is 1 and rest of all entries are 0. So first make it to 1. So here in R1 first entry is 3. So how it is convert 1? So just focus second row. Second row is 2 and third row is 0. If we apply R1 minus R2, so 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Just we use operation R1 माइनस R2, R1 माइनस R2। जैसे आपने अप्लाई किया R1 में R2 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया तो 1 0 0, और सेम जो भी ऑपरेशन होगा राइट हैंड साइड भी अप्लाई करोगे, कर दिया अप्लाई, 1 माइनस 1 0। बाकी रोज आर स्टैटिक, 2 माइनस 3 4, 0 माइनस 1 1, 0 1 0, 0 0 1। okay, so first row we have find 1 0 0 and first element also 1 0 0। okay, अब now main position we have to find unit matrix in left hand side। तो firstly find out column, first column, and first column is 1 0 0। main focus for unit matrix, apply row transformation and find column। first column 1 0 0, how it will get? It will get by row transformation। here we have just focused A31 already 0, there is no need for any transformation in R3। now R2 first element to it should be 0। how it should be 0? just keep on next operation, R2 माइनस 2 R1 विद द हेल्प ऑफ R1। R1 में आप 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करके सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो तो ये आपका 0 आ गया। और सेम ऑपरेशन अप्लाइज ऑन राइट हैंड साइड, माइनस 2 3 0। ठीक है, तो आपने फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन लगाया और आपका फर्स्ट कॉलम मिल गया 1 0 0। नाउ नेक्स्ट कॉलम इज 0 1 0। जस्ट फोकस वन थिंग, 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1। तो नाउ focus 1 and here minus 3। so what will be introduce R2 minus 4R3। why? here minus 1, here minus 3, if we multiplied by 4 in R3 and subtract here, so minus 3 minus plus 4, so 4 minus 3 1। result has now 1 here, A22 is 1। okay, 1 0 or same operation R2 minus 4 R3 in right side, minus 2 3 minus 4। okay, now A22 1, so with the help of A22, A12 is already 0 but A32 minus 1, so A32 should be also 0। so what is the main operation for A32 will be 0। so now main operation is in the R3 we use all2 by adding R3 plus R2, 1 minus 1, this will be 0। so R3 plus R2, so 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1, and same operation applied in right hand side, so minus 2 3 minus 3। okay, or now it's our final answer। why? because left hand side we have so that here our main matrix converted into unit matrix, so I equal to I, here means A inverse। ठीक है, ये A equal to A, here in right side is always A multiplying, तो आप A inverse into A equal to I, it's our main theme, main operation। so here A inverse, following main result for inverse of matrix is this one, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 3 4, minus 2 3 minus 3। okay, so final inverse of matrix। now next example just focus on A equal to 0 1 2, 1 2 3, 3 1 1। firstly A equal to IA, write the matrix A in the form of A equal to IA। इसी मैट्रिक्स में 1 का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो सेम ही आएगा। जस्ट राइट डाउन 0 1 2, 1 2 3, 3 1 1 and order of matrix here 3 cross 3, so just write down 3 cross 3 unit matrix 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1 into A। okay, Now main focus of our inverse of matrix is unit matrix. So how convert a given matrix in form of unit matrix? Just focus on first entry should be 1. Is it here 1? No, here is 0. So what will we do? Just focus. Second row, first entry is 1. So first elementary row transformation. What is row transformation? Interchanging with R1 to R2. So what is 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 1 1, or same thing apply as right hand side 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 into A. Okay. Now second element in second row is already 0. There is no operation applied in R2, but in third row, first element in 3, and by unit matrix it will be 0. So what is operation we will take? We will take operation in R3. R3 minus 3R1. R3 minus 3R1. What will be? 1 2 3 0 1 2 0 minus 5 minus 8, or same operation will be applied 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 minus 3 1 into A. Now first column complete in a unit matrix 1 0 0. Now next A22 should be 1, and here it is already 1. Just focus. Second 1 2 3 0 1 2 0 1 2 or 0 minus 5 minus 8, and this will be 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 0 minus 3 1, 0 minus 3 1. Now with the help of R2, our second element in R1 and second element R3 will be 0. With the operation R1 R3 plus 5R2 and R1 minus 2R2. Both operation will be applied in this matrix. First 1 2 0 4 minus 1, 0 1 2 static, and last will be 0 0 2. 0 0 2. Same operation applied in right hand side, and right hand side output is minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 and 5 minus 3 1, 5 minus 3 1. Okay. Now 2 column completed 1 0 0 0 1 0, and last column should be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Last entry A33 should be 1. Is it 1? No. Is it 2? So what will be done? If we divided by R3 by 2, it is 1. So using operation R3 by 2, so this will be 1 0 minus 1 0 1 2 0 0 1. Same operation applied in right hand side. Minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now for last column we have two last entries A13 in first row, last entry in second row A23 will be 0. So what is operation we used? Operation will be R1 plus R3 and R2 minus 2R3. So operation is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Unit matrix completed. Or now final result. Final result minus, we apply also right hand side 1 by 2 minus half plus half minus 4 3 1 minus 1 and लास्ट सेम इसी का ऑपरेशन यूज कर रहे हैं and it is final inverse of matrix. What is inverse of matrix? Why? Because left hand side our matrix A converted to completely in unit matrix. So that's why in right hand side A already given. So here A inverse into A equal to I, property of inverse matrix. Half minus half plus half minus 4 3 minus 1 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, our inverse of matrix. Okay, so keep on more example, more questions for Gauss-Jordan eliminations. We have to clear this topic, clear more ideas for this topic. So today's topic only this thing, and next topic will be rank of matrix. Okay.